This is U1479 U527. Direct German council, so one owner from new. Predominantly been mowing on the Autobahn, so very, very light use. Well equipped machine with a DIN plate there on the front and front PTO. We do a DIN mount front linkage that will just drop on there. 20-inch wheels, so you've got a good choice of multi-purpose or ag tyres that will fit. 272 horsepower 6-cylinder engine. 3-way tipping rear body. Body actually looks virtually unused. And the machine is in really good original clean condition all round. Inside the cab is really, really lovely. It's hard to believe it's a 2014 machine actually. There's a good specification with 4 hydraulic spool valves, hydrostatic drive, so ideal for mowing. It allows you to drive up to 15 kilometers an hour start and stop without using the clutch. Air conditioning, of course, heated mirrors, electric windows, heated driver's seat, also has a night heater. Gears can be shifted manually or using the automatic function. And cruise control. So all in all, a very nice place to be.